Hey there everybody, what's up? I just wanted to give y'all an update on this RIDGID air compressor that I found. The 5-in-1 compressor that somebody threw out. And I picked it up and fixed it. So, as you can see, it's holding pressure now. Before, when I first got it, I was troubleshooting it. And I was filling it up, trying to fill it up. And only this tank right here, I think it's a 1-gallon tank, would fill up. So these gauges would not move, but those gauges went all the way up and then the pump shut off, but these gauges would not. So there was a leak somewhere. I kept hearing a leak somewhere, and it was this hose right here. It was leaking from this area. It comes with this on it already installed, so I just switched it out. It was leaking from this thing here, so I just went to Harbor Freight real quick and changed it out. No more hissing. Can't hear any hissing from there at all. Zero. So I got me a free compressor, and all it cost me was what? I think like $4 maybe for the coupler and the female fitting right there. Changed it out, and now it's good to go. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or sell it, but I'm gonna try it out, toss it out at least. See if it can handle a spray gun. See if it can handle some air tools and whatnot, because I am a maintenance tech. I'm maintenance tech too at an apartment complex, so yeah. I don't really use compressors at all much, other than for spraying the popcorn on the ceilings. I mean, I've never done it yet, but some of the other techs that they use a compressor to shoot that stuff on the ceiling. But yeah, we'll see. Free compressor, change that out, good to go. All right, that's it. That's all. This is just an update to my other videos. And thank you to all those who responded and said good find, all that good stuff. Thank you for all your comments. And thank you to all you YouTubers who have this compressor up, because I researched and found only a couple of videos, and just to do some research on troubleshooting. And then when I got it and got to troubleshooting it, I used what they did in the videos to troubleshoot this one. So yeah, thank you you YouTubers that videos I looked at. Appreciate it.